I, Mohammed Amin Sheikh from District Doda, represented as a District President of National Old Pension Restoration United Front. I would like to say that I thanks from core of my heart Honorable Chief Minister of Rajasthan that he has taken a grand and historical decision for prevailing the old pension scheme of NPS holder of respective state of Rajasthan. I also thanks from core of my heart of our national president. He headed of National Old Pension United Front Rawat Saabji, and also thanks from core of my heart all NOPRUF holder of Government of Rajasthan. I would like to say that I requested of my Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, all NPS holder, please come and forward to strengthen the forum of NOPRUF and be united. Due to unity, we can achieve the common goal. Thanks.